Here's a very important tip when you're doing power moves. Examples of power moves are a kettlebell high pull or a vertical snatch with a dumbbell or a barbell clean. You want to move the weight fast to develop power. Oftentimes people will take the weight in hands and then they'll go down in order to go up. This is bad for your joints and it's an incorrect way to lift the weight. What you want to do is put your hands on the weight and then take all the slack out of your joints. So you're not bending your wrists, you're not bending your elbows to go down and then up, and you're keeping your shoulders down away from your ears. So from here, all the slack out of the joints, and your energy is already going up. Even though the weight isn't moving yet, your energy is already going up. And then you just push through your legs. The legs drive the weight up initially, and then the arms follow. So just keep in mind, it's not down and up like a yanking movement. It's here. All your joints are straight and tight, energy going up. And then you use your powerful legs, extend your spine, and then the arms just follow.